Hey guys, I'm Jake the Juggler from the Hiccup Circus, and I'm part of the Junkyard Jugglers, and today I'll be showing you a one-ball juggling lesson for beginners. The first step to juggling is just to throw it up and down in your good hand. So say I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my right hand and just toss it up. And when I throw it up, I'm not going to try and reach up to catch it. That makes it really hard. I just let the ball come down in my hand. And then after you get that done, you want to work on the height of your throw. You get it just above your forehead, like about to that height. And once you get really good at that, you're just going to put it in your other hand and start working on the same thing. You still don't ever reach up to catch it. Let it come down to your hand and still try and throw it to the same height, just above your forehead. So that's juggling lesson number 1, and keep practicing.